Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to hop on and do a quick unboxing of this small leather good that I purchased from Coach. But before I get started, I do want to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. I put out a lot of videos about contemporary center handbags like Coach, Michael Kors, Fossil, Longchamp, as well as some luxury items like Gucci and Burberry. And if you end up liking this video, please do give me a thumbs up down below. So like I said, this is a small leather good from the Coach outlet. It just came in this, paper bubble mailer, and I will open it up now. Okay, so it's actually packaged fairly decently, like it wasn't just shoved into the bubble mailer. You have some tissue paper and a little Coach sticker, which is actually textured. That's interesting. And then that's just my receipt. So this item I purchased for around $30. In November of 2023, and it came to me from the store in California, in Calexo, California. So yeah, just let's open it up. Let's see if I can avoid, oh yeah, I can totally avoid ripping that sticker. It's very hard. And then there's just tape. Okay. And it is a very cute little pumpkin key pouch. This is probably part of the Halloween collection or like fall collection. I thought it was super cute, and it looked like very high quality when you look at it online, and it does look pretty high quality here. I was worried that, as one does with the Coach outlet, I might get like a scratched version or a damaged version, but it's looking pretty good. You just have this pull tab here, which is like a curled up piece of leather, and then it's just an orange little key pouch, or sorry, not key pouch, coin pouch, with a little bit here to signify like the stem of the pumpkin. Opening it up, it is a fairly tight opening. Just pulling some of that out. The inside is just empty, so, perfect for honestly, I don't know what. I just thought it was cute. I didn't really have a good plan for what I would use this for. It is a kind of an awkward opening. For some reason, I thought it would open like all the way around and then like open more. But this is very tight and it is very stiff. So I kind of wonder what I'm going to use this for. You could certainly fit like a pack of tissues probably in there. So just like a pack of tissues. No, well, it's kind of actually fairly narrow, so the pack of tissues doesn't fit that well. It would probably zip. Yeah, I don't mean it'll zip. But it's a tight fit. I don't know what I could use this for. See, this is why you don't impulse purchase. You have to know what you're going to use this for. Let's think about other things that could fit in here. So this could certainly be used as a key pouch if you, for your car key, if you had bulky keys in particular. I don't know that it would work for me. Like if you're someone who had a car fob and your car was like keyless entry, I think this would work really well. But for me, for my key pouches, I do like to have like the little keychain actually like attached to it so that I don't have to like put it back in and out every time that I pull it out of my bag. Although maybe that would be nice because I did just add the like little fob thing for our security system onto my key pouch, and now it's very bulky and kind of hard to get in and out of this small key pouch. So maybe I could use it for that. Alternatively, maybe I could use it as a catch-all. So, some like hand lotion. That's already a bit tight because it is a bit narrow. And then this is just like a bag of random stuff. Like it's a comb, some Band-Aids, and some Q-tips. Shove that in there. That's a little tight. I guess it's a little short. Yeah, honestly, that's a little too tight. You could obviously use it for masks because masks are tiny. So maybe that would be something to use it for. And I should state the obvious, you could use this for coins. I just don't really carry coins. like, I don't use them in my daily life, so it doesn't make sense to me to use it for coins. But if you're someone who does use coins, or, you know, you could obviously use this as a wallet too, I should say. It would certainly fit, you know, a stack of cards or bills or anything in there. It's plenty long enough for that. So you could do that if you're someone who likes for your wallets to be more like pouches rather than like, you know, like a structured wallet with card slots and like a bill compartment and everything. But I love my Gucci wallet, so I would never switch out of that. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you have ideas on what I could use this for, because I do think it is cute. So I do think I will keep it, but I'm not sure how to use it. It might just be something that I like to look at, which seems like kind of a waste. I mean, it is nice. Like, you have your little zipper pull here, with the little Coach stamped logo. You have Coach stamped there in the corner there. It is very hard, like it's very structured. I guess there's something here maybe to keep it structured. You have the glazing all around, which looks nice and smooth. The zipper looks nice and even. I guess there's like a little blip in the glazing there, but it's not terrible. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty cute. I just need to think about how I would use it. But yeah, I guess that's my unboxing from the Coach outlet. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or comments, and I will see you next time. Bye!